Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a folder on iPhone. So let's get started. First, find an app that you want to include in the folder. In this example, let's say we want to create a folder for our social media apps. Now press and hold empty area on the screen until the app icon starts to wiggle. This activates the editing mode. We will start with Facebook app. Now drag Facebook app icon on the top of another app that you want to include in the same folder. Let's say we drag it onto Instagram app. Now release your finger and the two apps will combine into a folder and a new folder icon will be created with both app icons inside. Once done, tap on Done button at the top. If you wish to rename the folder, then simply press on empty area on the screen. Now tap on folder. A text field will appear allowing you to enter the custom name for your folder. Let's name it social media. Tap on Done button to confirm the changes. That way we have successfully created folder on iPhone. Now you can add more apps to the folder by repeating the same process. If you want to delete the folder, then first press on empty area on the screen. Open the folder containing apps. Now drag all the apps one by one outside of the folder. Once all the apps are removed from the folder will get automatically removed. Well, organizing your apps into folders can help declutter your home screen and make it easier to find the apps you need. So that is how you can create a folder on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.